Today we're checking out this pet store. What makes it different is that this is a self-operated pet store, so there's no employees inside. It's open 24 hours, so we have to put the card in order to get inside. Now the door is open. In the US, we do have self-checkout stores, but we don't have self-operated stores where there aren't any employees at all. So I think that's really unique about Korea. Here they have a lot of cat products to choose from, and also some tools for grooming, shampoo. Today I'm gonna be choosing this one. All the packaging looks super premium, but the prices are still very cheap. I'll take one of these too, and then one of these. Now we're gonna self-check out all the items that we chose. So we just take the barcode scanner and scan them one by one. And the price of each will come up on here. If you press this button here, it means that you want to check out and get ready to pay. And then now I'm going to insert my credit card.
카드를 넣어주세요. 영수증 출력을 원하시면 예 버튼을 눌러주세요.
We want the receipt, so I'm gonna press this button that says yes.
카드를 제거해주세요.
Since there aren't any employees here, there's a security camera to make sure that no one can steal any items. We bought all our items, so now we're going to head out.